Alright, y'all, what's the dealio? This is my first time shooting with the GoPro. I think it would elevate the channel. You know, if you look at most automotive YouTube pages, most car pages, most motorcycle pages, anything dealing with travel by vehicle, of course, you know, the GoPro is a huge tool. So I finally got one. At first I was using a phone mount. Wasn't working, you know, the audio was way too shaky, so we'll see. But today what I have planned for you guys is I'm gonna wash my car. Yes, I understand it's a rainy day, but I gotta wash my car, man. It's filthy. On top of that, I'm gonna link up with my boy Daniel. Daniel is the guy with the 335i. And then we probably get some eats, and that's about it. That's the day right there. So I'll be back with y'all in a few. Alright, so just made it to the car wash. You know, I haven't washed it yet. I'm not sure if you guys could tell on your end, but yeah, I cannot drive around in a dirty car. It's been about a month since I washed it. This thing is filthy. Like I said, I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's looking pretty bad. So I'm getting ready to do my thing, wash it, you know. The battery life on this GoPro sucks. You know, if I could, I would, you know, just wash it and record, but you know, this thing sucks. But anyways, getting ready to wash this thing, and I'll get back with y'all when it's done. Wow. Alright, I'm on my iPhone right now, but just finished the first session. Gonna rinse it off, do the wheels, do the body again, and I should be done. Typically I take hours while washing my car, but it's cold out here, man. It's not cold, but it's a little uncomfortable. So getting ready to do that, and I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. Alright, so not finished, but it's an update what it looks like right now. Looks pretty good. And I will say, these wheels are absolutely annoying to clean. These are one of these wheels that you have to take off in detail, man. But that's beside the point. Car looks way cleaner than before. Halfway done. All right. Done the exterior. Look at the difference, man. This thing is gorgeous. I have a hilarious love-hate relationship with this car. Hilarious love-hate relationship with this car, man. One moment I love it, the next moment I can't stand it, you know? But honestly, this thing is beautiful. Beautiful. Sometimes I regret getting it because it just looks boring to me at times. And other times it's like, wow, you know? This thing is beautiful. Beautiful. I just need that M Sport bumper. Once I get that, this thing is clean. I think it's so clean how it is. I don't even think I need like a diffuser. I would leave it like that. I mean, I'm gonna get a diffuser because I want to go quad tips, but I actually have the quad tips just waiting at my house. But nonetheless, though, this thing is beautiful. Anybody that says the F10 chassis isn't the best 5 Series chassis is lying. Alright, so that's the exterior, and this thing looks good. Let me remind you guys, I have tailed it, I should say, and it looks good. Now, you know, I usually spend 2 hours, 2.5 hours, sometimes 3 hours cleaning the car, but you know, all I have left is to vacuum in the inside. It's quite dirty right now, you know. I will say, guys, I am a teacher, so I just after work I just kind of get in, throw the books out, let me throw the books in there and go about my day. I have plenty of cameras here. I have my BMW Bear, of course, but you know, of course I'm gonna get the inside right, and then when I'm done, you know, maybe we get a little POV. Oh yeah, Yeah, so let me go ahead, get this right, and I'll be back with you guys. Alright, so not even gonna lie, I didn't even end up vacuuming the inside, but you know, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad at all, but getting ready to get these clips, you know. I absolutely love this car, man. If there's a way I could keep this car forever, I would, you know. I really would. It's a good car. But nonetheless though, another year or 2 years, I really want a 540. You know, I've said it in the previous vlog. I say it to my friends all the time. I really want a B58. Like, that is the way to go. They just sound great. You know, I could get a 340, but I really like the 5 Series chassis, so, you know. I really like the 5 Series chassis, you know. But, yeah. As crazy as it sounds, if it isn't a 540, I always told myself I wanted the E90X M3. I know it's two different complete cars. I know the 540, the B58 is a way more reliable platform. And I know you have to be committed to having the E90X, but it's just like, man, the E90X is just fun and timeless and sounds great. In my opinion, the best sounding M car of all time. I know some of you guys would say the E60 is, the E60 M5 is, but the E90X sounds perfect. Granted, you have to be really committed to owning that car because it comes with a lot of failures, you know, rod bearings, you know, stuff like that. But so does all the early model M cars, but you know, I love that car. So if it isn't a 540, I would love to have a E90X M3. They go around the same price. If anything, I think the E90X is a little cheaper now. So, but I'm gonna enjoy my drive back home. I'm not gonna lie, this GoPro is kind of heavy on my head. So I'll catch you guys in the next few clips. All right, just got back home and this thing looks good. Nonetheless, it's dark right now, but this thing is clean, man. Clean. I know I keep repeating myself, but all right. It's about 4 p.m. right now, or 3 p.m. About to link up with the homie, get some food, head back to his crib, chill a little bit, edit some stuff. Yeah. It's raining right now. It's raining right now, weather not too good, so just washed the car. Gotta make sure to park inside and give it a good wipe down, you know. I actually need some wipers. The wipers on this is starting to suck. Alright, so got here before my dog. Just waiting on that slow 335i, slowest and 55 in Raleigh. But this is the spot, bro. This food is good, man. Best Jamaican spot in Raleigh for sure. For sure. Freaking 3 hours later. Now, all jokes aside, man, this car is, I talk about it all the time, this car is sick. This car is sick. Car is sick. I don't know. I love to get some footage in it using a GoPro. That blow off valve. What? It's not better than that right there. Nah, it is, but it's cool though. It's cool. Yo, you ready? Yo, I don't know when I passed him, but bro is definitely behind me. Bro is definitely behind me. I'm not sure if y'all can see him in the mirror, but that's crazy. I think that's him at least. Not gonna lie, thing looks menacing. Thing looks menacing. Ah, that boy's slow. Oh man, that thing is clean.
Overtake somebody on the right, but it's a right turning lane.
Oh,
so I tried to pass him,
and he wouldn't let you?
No, he was the craziest thing. He was going so slow. As soon as I get on the right.
All right, y'all. Well, we just got to the crib, man. We're gonna eat. I'll probably end it here. I think it's some pretty good footage. I don't know if I'm gonna upload it tonight or tomorrow, but thank you for viewing. Look out for the next vlog.